Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about color. So we've been declaring color like a lot, and usually just by assigning a name. So I keep forgetting to put my style sheet in here. Link, ref, relationship, style sheet. Okay, so we just assign it by name, and then VS Code has this really handy little editor so that we can change our color on the fly. But there's other ways to define color. So we could do RGB, and we can add the red as a number of 0 to 255, green as a number from 0 to 255, and the blue as a number from 0 to 255, which you've seen before, I'm sure. We can also do it like this. So this is called hex. And let me clear this. And hex starts with a number sign. And then it goes 2 digits for the red, FF, 2 digits for the green, FF, and 2 digits for the blue, FF. Okay, so then what is this about? So hex is you see it a lot in computer graphics because it's a more efficient way of writing a value. You're using less digits. And the way it works, and I have this over in our Notion, over here, is you multiply the first number by 16, and then you multiply the second number by 1, and then you add the 2 together. And the hex code starts with 0 to 9, but then it just keeps going from A to F. Anyway, there's a link here if you want to learn more about it, but it's good to, basically it's a way of writing 0 to 255 in a more efficient way. And then finally, the one, my personal favorite is this one, color. And this one is hue, saturation, lightness, which is just the best, right? Because this is kind of the more intuitive way of dealing with color. So this will be my brightness. I can make it brighter. I can adjust the saturation, and I can adjust the hue. So this is the most intuitive and the way to really fine tune it. Finally, we can record or store colors as global variables, much like global swatches in InDesign or Illustrator. To do that, the syntax is root. Then you have to give your variable a name with these 2 dashes. Call it my color. And then you can define it. So we can use this color we made. And then we can use it wherever we like. So we could say color my color, and it's in this var open parentheses, close parentheses, and then we can use it wherever we like. So like this. And so now we have one color being plugged into 2 different places, which can be really handy.